In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use ChatGPT to learn French. So, the most basic part of any language you will need to understand is the alphabets, right? And obviously, after you go on alphabets, you start learning vocabulary turn by turn. And once you have memorized a nice amount of words, you go into grammar structures, and then onto speaking, then onto writing, and then finally reading, right? So, we'll follow that structure throughout asking ChatGPT questions. So, first, you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT, can you provide me with all of the French alphabets? Right? Let's go ahead and send that, and it'll give you all the French alphabets. Uh, right. So, well, it seems that French alphabet is the same as English alphabet, so you don't really have to struggle with that. But there's some additional characters in French that you need to memorize, and it's you can also ask them to pronounce. Can you tell me? Can you tell me how to pronounce the additional letters, right? So you can go ahead and it'll help you pronounce the additional letters turn by turn, right? So whatever that symbol is, this type of E, it is pronounced as A, as in the say A, right? But shorter, so A, something like that. Well, all of those words ChatGPT will help you in pronouncing, and then once you memorize this, we can finally move on to the vocabulary part of learning. So you can on a daily basis ask ChatGPT to give you a couple of words, and you can go ahead and start what we say memorizing them. Start making flashcards and start memorizing the words turn by turn. You can do topics by topic. So you can say on the first day, let's give me some topics about, let's say, related to food. On the next day, let's give me some topics about something related to hospital, doctors, or anything related to that. Right? And like this, soon you'll be in a given time, you'll be able to memorize a lot of words in the language you're trying to learn. After you have a couple of words under your arsenal, now you can start doing some grammars in your language. So you can ask ChatGPT to give you the grammar structure of the language. Can you provide me with the grammar structure for French, right? And it will so provide you with all of the grammar structure. Obviously, you'll have a good read through this. You'll understand all the grammars and how to use the verbs in present, past, and future tense. And if you don't understand anything, you'll obviously need to ask ChatGPT again, and it'll obviously surely make sure you understand in an easier way. Okay? After this, after you're done with your grammar, you'll surely be able to speak. At the very least, if not fluent, but at the very least, you'll be able to speak. Now, to improve your speaking to a maximum, you will stimulate real life situations and converse with ChatGPT by applying roles to yourself and to ChatGPT and converse with each other. Obviously, as you more and more converse with ChatGPT, your skill will improve. Now, you'll need to also improve while you're obviously learning vocabulary and everything else. You'll also need to work on your writing and reading skills. And to do that, you can ask ChatGPT, obviously, while you're doing the alphabets, you'll need to learn on how to write these alphabets. And obviously, making sure you also are writing on your flashcards, right? When you're memorizing and making flashcards, you'll be practicing writing those words also. So make sure you write a couple of them as well at the side so you get the idea on how to uh, write them, because writing is also an important skill when learning a language. And also, after you're done with writing practices, obviously, you also need to work on your reading practice. And to do that, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a paragraph on to read on a daily basis. Let's say a short paragraph, perhaps not even daily, but twice a week or thrice a week or something like that. So you can ask ChatGPT, can you give me a paragraph in French to read? And so it will give you a paragraph, and you can have a go at it and practice reading it. There we go. Go have it and practice reading. And obviously, if you do all of these practices every single day, in due time, in a couple of months, you'll be able to learn French. So that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.